afternoon. Here is Jammu Pasha delivering my lecture regarding principles of management. Principles of management. The chapter is controlling. Controlling is a very urgent, top urgent function, most important function. Almost all phases of managerial functions, since starting from the planning, controlling measures are indispensable. To attain the goals and objectives of the organization needs to move as per plan. But simply planning is not enough. Even to develop a plan, to chalk out a plan, there is a question of controlling. Obvious. If right way planning is not developed, right components are not assessed in the right way, then that will be not effective planning. So, is to deciding in advance, that is plan, what is to be done. But simply I am chalking out a plan, it's not enough. Positively, I will have to think the some other functions of management regarding to attain the goals and objectives of the organization as per plan. So matters. In all phases, in all actions, in all steps, controlling is indispensable. So many tools, techniques, methodologies are there. At the same time, the professional maturity of the controllers, not only tool, techniques, methodology, but side by side, a well-developed person, those who are quite capable of controlling the functions or level functions of the organization, need to hold some specific measures. In this point of view, some techniques or methods are there.
Such anyone?
So first what I am discussing, there is the number one, that is the traditional control techniques. Traditional control techniques, first, what we like to follow, there is the direct supervision and observation. The workers working in the factory area, in the factory, the manufacturing floor, simply the operators and the workers are working is not enough. Side by side, supervisors have to direct, guide and control. At the same time, the senior level, say for the assistant manager, managers, they have to monitor directly and observe all the functions and activities pinpoint basis. As there is a specific guidelines, and basing upon that guideline, whether the all functions, activities, and the operators are running the machineries and automation in the right way, that is to be observed by the supervisors, then the production manager. If not so, then and there they will have to hold some specific and remedial measures. Then, is the traditional technique concept. The second, that is the financial statements. Yes, financial statement is a very important thing. financial statement is to express the financial cost of all activities and jobs. If it crosses the earlier mentioned limit, then and there controlling measures necessary to hold in this issue. Here, profitability, liquidity, solvency positions of business, all these things must be observed. Then budgetary control, that's a very important thing. And this is a plan. This is a controlling measure which is numerically expressed. Budget, in the budget, all the functions and activities are financially expressed and numerically expressed. So, when these sort of activities are crossing the limit, there and there, right a controlling measures is necessary to hold. Break-even analysis. Break-even analysis no profit, no loss status. It declares no profit, no loss status. Or it may be in the different manner we may express. It's a midpoint. If the expenditure is a little bit higher, then and there, that will be focused, and accordingly the right measures will be taken to minimize the cost, to bring down the cost. Otherwise, sales price of the good will be higher and marketing will be quite tough. So break-even point indicates no profit, no loss status. Then important another point, that is the return on investment. ROI. We want return from our investment. What is our expected return? If expected return is above the break-even point, then very fine. If not so, if it's declining, then and there, the necessary measures and positive measures to be taken. It's a tool to improve financial performance. ROI is the right tool to improve the financial performance. Financial issues and affairs, all the organization need to monitor, need to control, need to observe, and to bring all the financial activities in the right track. Very extreme and important tool is ROI. Another important thing is this, that is the MBO, management by objectives. MBO, when objective is determined by both by the superior and by the subordinates. Because before starting this job plan, job schedule, job activities and techniques, methodologies all are determined or discussed earlier with the concerned group. So the matter will be quite easy from the side of the operators, workers and employees to do their assigned duties and responsibilities with right way, right track, with sincerity and devotion. because their assigned duties and responsibilities will be very earlier before starting the job. That will be cleared among themselves. As the matter is quite cleared, so any deviation, any problem occur, then and there with the help of others, that problem can be solved. Management audit is a very important thing. In most cases, we need to ignore it. In most cases, we ignore it. Let it cool us. আজকে প্রেশারটাকে বাড়িয়ে গেছে হঠাৎ করে। তুই আসলি বাসা তো Management audit actually is a performance evaluation of the organization, all levels. Even not only for the simple operators or lower level personnel, junior level executives, senior level executives, managers, mid-level managers, senior level managers, or even performance evaluation is concerned and connected to the even policy making bodies, the directors. Managing director, chairman of the organization. Their behavior, their attitude, their performance, their functioning, all these things should be regulated. And all this should have to bring in the right track. Or otherwise the overall decision making will be faulty. Functions and operations of all other workers and employees will be in trouble. So, performance audit, I'm just going through a para. You just follow. Management audit is an evaluation of the management as a whole. It critically examines the full management process, that is planning, organizing, directing, controlling. It finds out the efficiency of the management. To check the efficiency of management, the company's plan, objectives, policies, procedures, personnel relations, system of control are examined very carefully. Management auditing is conducted by a team of experts. They collect data, past records, members of management, clients and employees. The data is analyzed and conclusions are drawn about the managerial performance and efficiency. So multiple data, facts, information, materials are collected and procured to evaluate and justify about the persons or personas as junior level to top level. Here to observe the duties and responsibility assigned to them, how far they were achieving it and what is the quality of their performance, timing, cost assessment, all these things should be evaluated and managed. That is the management audit. Now management information system, MIS, in all respects, is the total process, since starting from the planning, organizing, controlling, directing, motivating, each and everywhere and all the when multiple functions and actions are performed, then we need information and messages. Suppose we are operating a specific brand new machine. Suddenly that machine, few minutes after that is stopped. And why? And what is the reason behind it? Then and there we'll have to go through the manual. And we'll have to bring the expert in this connection. And having the opinion of the expert, then we can start again that machine. So, MIS might provide us all the necessary informations, concepts, methods, ideas, views, thoughts, etc. and etc. With MIS, managers can delegate authority to subordinates without losing control. So, right man should be selected, a right man should be appointed for the right position, and he will be assigned with the right job and right direction and guidance. Then, two other the same is critical path method and CPM, part and CPM, program evaluation and review technique. and the critical path method techniques were developed in US in 1950s. Any program consists of various, and nowadays the sort of things are not that much necessary, because now computer-aided decision-making system, they are very widely and very critically and very specifically expressing the locations, pointing the locations, pointing the route, pointing the timing, pointing the cost. So the matter is quite nowadays far standard and highly developed. It's much more better than the activities of since 1950. The scenario has been changing. Then self-control. Self-control is a specific training. It's a developmental program for the better performance attaining of the work for students and even for the top management. If workers, employees, and the top management is right way controlling themselves, and they can't do their assigned duties and responsibilities in a core brand with the specifically and the right way, they can't monitor their activities and perform their jobs. So, self-controlling is a very important thing. The subordinates must be encouraged to use self-control because it's not good for the superior to control each and everything. However, self-control does not mean no control by superiors. The superiors must control the important activities of the subordinates. This is very much clear. Subordinates are assigned with their duties and responsibilities, and by this time, they were empowered to control them themselves. So that, but it doesn't mean they will have no other controlling from their senior management. Okay, so that is also very important thing. So superiors must have control in the major tasks and issues. Sure. Okay, then students, this end of the next class we will go to for the financial control issues and the rest other controlling affairs about. So controlling is the very right thing and important thing. Simply we are planning, we are procuring money, finance, technology, all these things. But if our coordination is not in the right way and each and every point controlling measures are not right way taken, then goals and objectives of the organization will be frustrated. As a result, no result, the status will be vain. Thank you very much. Best of luck. Oh, another thing is this, dear students, I have taken my, what is that?
COVID-19.
COVID-19
Yes.
course, vaccine. And you all are also asked, also you tell your guardians to take COVID-19 vaccine. Understand? To save yourselves, your family, and at the same time your surroundings and the country as a whole. Best of luck. Thank you very much.